Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best saw cutting machine reviews. 9890W high-frequency brushless ring saw delivers exceptional cutting power with a 220V motor and 3000 revolutions per minute speed. Designed for precise concrete and wall cutting, it ensures smooth operation and durability. The high-power, brushless motor provides efficiency, stability, and long-lasting performance for professional construction and renovation projects.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.